I turned Pikachu into a Christmas cookie. Well, let's draw it together step by step. All you need is a drawing pencil right now and a piece of paper. So let's go ahead and draw these 2 dots. And we're going to go ahead and curve a line down. We're going to create the base of this cookie. It's going to be like a big sugar cookie. So now I'm going to go ahead and curve a line up. And this creates the basic shape of our cookie. Now's a good time to make any adjustments to your shape. Now we're going to go ahead and add the frosting on top. I'm going to use a little bit of a wavy line. And you'll notice with the second layer, now we've created what's called overlapping. It's a method of creating space, making a flat piece of paper appear to be 3-dimensional. We're going to go ahead and add Pikachu's little paws. And as you can see, we're building this drawing with shapes and forms. And we always want to think about our proportions, our size relationships in the drawing. Especially when we go to draw Pikachu's head. So how big is this shape of the head in comparison to the cookie beneath it? So I'm curving these lines out to the right here now. And then I'm going to go ahead and curve a line up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little line here for the chin. And as you know, we're building with shapes and forms, so we will have construction lines we're going to be erasing out. Just kind of cleaning up my drawing a little bit. All right. So I'm going to create a little center line. And I'm going to draw another line in which the eyes are going to be placed on. So I'm creating proportions right now for the face. Using giant oval shape for the eye and leaving a little white highlight inside of it. And same thing, giant oval. And so that's going to help create the cuteness of this character. Big eyes and tiny nose. Now we have the tiny little nose. And then for the upper lip, we have 2 lines that curve down. And then for the bottom lip, we have a line that curves down. And our little Pikachu, yeah, we've got to have those rosy cheeks. So I hope you're enjoying this fun holiday mashup. Our little Pikachu Christmas cookie today. So I'm curving these lines out once again to the left and then on this side to the right, curving a line up. Now, once I have that shape in, I'm going to go in and I'm going to start adding some fur texture. So I'm going to go ahead and point this fur texture in one direction. I'm pointing it to the right here. Adding a little bit more of that fur texture onto the left-hand side. And then so we're going to go ahead and create a cone shape to begin the Santa hat. Santa hat is basically like 2 cones. So that's the first one. And then where the Santa hat is folding over, kind of creates another little cone shape. And then we'll have the sphere on the tip. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the texture as I'm creating this little circular shape. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add in the ears. Once again, pay attention to the size of the ears. Those proportions we've talked about are very important in a drawing. We're always paying attention to the size relationships in the drawing. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. So I'm curving a line up. I'll be curving a line down. Well, I think this cookie has way too much holiday spirit. All right, so I went and cleaned up those construction lines. And I'm going in with the Faber 1.5 to do some outlining. So I'm using colors value today. I'm using Posca markers. So I have the dark red, and coral pink. This is an off-brand light gray, and this is the Posca marker gray. I went with the straw yellow and yellow ochre. Those are going to be the 2 values of yellow today. The yellow ochre is creating the shadows, and coral pink and dark red inside of the mouth. So I have some apricot and brown. It's going to create the color of the base of this cookie. And we have some robin green and emerald green. It's going to create the 2 values for the frosting. Adding in some highlights. Adding a little bit of gray there for some lighting there on the ears. A little light blue for the eyes. And I decided, you know what, we're going to add little Pikachu's tail here. And like we said, as artists, we're always making adjustments to our work. And we decided, you know what, let's add the tail in there. And once again, I have the straw yellow and the yellow ochre. Those 2 different values. As you can see, value adds depth and dimension to your artwork. So using colors that are lighter and darker. And just going in and re-outlining with the Faber, guys. Well, happy holidays and thanks for drawing with me today. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.